A, B, C, let's sing together. Rhymes and fun forever and ever.
A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat that loves to purr.
D is for dog that barks.
E is for elephant, big and gray.
F is for fish that swims all day.
G is for goat with a funny beard.
H is for hen.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jumping with happy feet.
K is for kite that flies so high.
L is for lion with a mighty cry.
M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for nest, up in the tree. O is for octopus, with arms of 8. P is for pig, he loves his plate. Q is for queen with a shine crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around.
S is for sun that shines so bright.
T is for train that goes all night.
U is for umbrella when it rains.
V is for van that drives on lanes.
W is for whale in the deep blue sea.
X is for xylophone, play with me.
Y is for yak with furry hair.
Z is for zebra with stripes to wear.
To learn more rhymes, like and subscribe for more. Bye, take care.